Show you guys. What? Wow, wow, wow. This is gonna be so delicious. Hey guys, just got back from gym. Let's make ourselves a delicious hamburger. Let's do this. Okay, we're just making a single burger, so we'll put in some mincemeat here. We'll make a smash burger, guys. A portion of mincemeat over here. Now we can season it. Okay, let's just give it a quick sprinkle of salt. Quick sprinkle of white pepper. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Add in a little bit of chicken bouillon powder. Sprinkle some Cajun spice. Okay, sprinkle a little bit of barbecue spice. Sprinkle some parsley, dried parsley. Sprinkle a little bit of onion powder. Okay, let's just get a glove just to mix the spices into the mince over here. Give it a good squeeze of the meat as well. This is very easy to make, guys. Anyone can make. Just put in whatever spices you like. So give it more squeeze so that all the flavors can be absorbed into the mincemeat over here. Make a delicious grilled cheese burger. Smashed grilled cheese. Okay, just like that. Now we are going to pan fry it. Okay guys, so first we're going to make sure our pan is very hot. Then we're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to tune back the heat to medium. Just rinse the oil around. Now we can pop in the mincemeat. Just make it into a ball, just like that. Just smash it down with your spatula. But make sure your pan heat is on the lowest. You don't want it to burn. Okay, just smash it, not too smash, but just the right size that you like for your grilled cheese. So just let this cook for a few minutes. The spices is smelling so good. Can't wait to eat this. I also cut up a little small onion. I'm gonna pop this in just now once the beef patty is cooked to perfection. I like my beef patty well done. Okay, let's give it a little flip. That's why we need to cook it on low heat in the beginning, so that nothing burns and everything gets cooked nicely. Wow, just look at that. Very quick and easy meal anyone can make. Okay, by now we can just pop in our onions on the sides. The onions is gonna give the beef patty a good onion flavor that we want. Then we'll add the onions together with our bread as well when we toast the bread in this pan. Very quick and easy, simple, delicious meal. I just got back from gym, so I need some protein, guys. You eat some good food after you gym. Okay, let's flip the patty around again. Looking super. Let's mix the onions a little bit. By now the patty should be ready. We're just waiting for the onions to get softened a bit before we place it into our grill, into our sour bread bread. The mince should be 100% ready. Look how fast it is. Yeah, just toss the onions on the mince so it can absorb that onion flavor. And we're cooking all this stuff on low heat, so you don't need a big flame to cook this burger patty here. Okay, now I got 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. Just gonna pop it on top just to melt it up. Wait for this mozzarella to melt up, and then we can place it. We can toast our bread and place all this deliciousness on top. Wow. Just gonna flip it around so that the cheese melts faster. Just flip it around again. The cheese, wow, look at that. Nice and nicely melted. Okay, let's just switch off the flame and place it back on our plate first. Place all the onion on top. Now let's just toast our bread on the lowest heat here. You don't need to add no oil or butter. If you want to add butter, you can, but it will be more fattening. This is my sourdough bread. Let's add this in. Give it a little toast. Okay, should be good. Let's place in our burger patty first on one of the slices. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. Damn. Massive burger. Turn down the heat or else the bread burns up. Okay, just press it down. Now I like it with a little kick, so I'm gonna add in a bit of jalapeno peppers on top as well. With that nice kick. Okay, now let's drizzle a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Drizzle some mustard over here. Place back the bread on top. Damn. Let's press it down a bit. It's gonna be so delicious, guys. Okay, let's plate it and let's chow this up, guys. Wow. It's gonna be so good. Have a little few pieces of beef here as well. Okay, guys, let's eat this. Yo, guys, let's eat this. Let's check this out. Delicious hamburger grilled cheese. Wow. Let's cut this in half and let me show you guys. Some sourdough bread. Should I cut it rectangle or triangle? I think rectangle's better. Damn, with that onions as well. And jalapeno peppers. Oh, I'll show you guys. What? Wow, wow, wow. This is gonna be so delicious. Nicely seasoned, guys. Trust me. Just season it like me. It's gonna be so delicious. Wow. Check that out. Have a bite. Guys, so easy and delicious. Gotta try this out. Damn. It's about 200 grams of minced meat here. You never go wrong with onions, guys. If you don't add in onions, you're not gonna get that taste. I wish you guys can try this with me. Sourdough bread, nicely toasted, guys. So good. That pack of mincemeat was like $100 for like 1 kg, so you can make like 4 of these burgers here. And the bread was like $30, a whole loaf of bread, and the cheese, maybe the mozzarella cheese, that cube is maybe $100. So yeah, if you go out to eat a burger, you're looking at $200 for the biggest burger. But hey, they also have to like cook it and all that, serve it too with chips and stuff, so it's worth it. But you can also make some at home. Yeah. Perfect meal after the gym, guys. Yeah, look at the onions over there. Okay, mozzarella. Wish you guys can grab a bite with me. Look at that. With that, guys, it's not hard to season your meat. With that, many restaurants, when you go to eat their burgers, they just sprinkle some salt and white pepper on top of a mincemeat. But me, I like to like marinate my meat first, guys. I don't really like to like sprinkle salt and pepper. Once the meat is marinated, you're gonna get a good bite. The onions give this a boost. You can add in your lettuce, your tomatoes, but I don't like it like that. It'll be too soggy on a sourdough bread like this. So keep it simple and all the flavors will pop out. So tasty and delicious. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, turn on the post notifications for new videos coming, and also give me some suggestions on where to eat in South Africa so I can give you guys a good review. So basically I'm not going to try like everything because it costs money, but I'm gonna try to do the best because this is what I want to do with this YouTube channel of mine. Can't go wrong. Final bite. Let's enjoy this final bite. Thanks guys for watching.